Imagine a gaming rig that slides under your desk like a book, yet hauls 4K graphics like a beast, compact, powerful, and next-gen ready. In 2026, mini gaming PCs are no longer compromises. They're full-blown gaming machines squeezed into tiny footprints. These are the top 5 mini gaming PCs for 2026. Rigs that combine portability, strength, and future-proof hardware. Let's dive in. Number 5. MINISFORUM Mini PC AI X1 Pro. The MINISFORUM Mini PC AI X1 Pro packs impressive performance into a sleek, compact chassis designed for modern gamers and creators. Powered by an AMD Ryzen 9 8945HX processor with 12 cores and 24 threads, it handles gaming, streaming, and creative workloads with ease. Graphics are driven by a mobile-class AMD Radeon RX 7800M GPU offering 12 GB of GDDR6 VRAM, capable of smooth 1440p gameplay at 120+ FPS and respectable 1080p ray tracing performance on competitive titles, while a 1TB PCIe 5.0 NVMe SSD offers blazing fast storage and elite load times. Cooling is managed by a dual-fan vapor chamber system with heat pipe architecture, keeping temperatures under 75 degrees Celsius even under heavy gaming loads and preventing thermal throttle during long sessions. Connectivity includes Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, one USB 4 port, 2 USB-C ports, and dual HDMI 2.1 outputs, ideal for dual monitor setups, VR rigs, or high refresh rate displays. Its compact chassis consumes only 95W under full load, making it energy efficient and suitably quiet compared to tower-class rigs. Whether you're rendering 4K video, playing open-world games, or live streaming your gameplay, the MINISFORUM Mini PC handles tasks smoothly without breaking a sweat. Number 4. Beelink SER9 Max. The Beelink SER9 Max mini gaming PC brings surprising power and versatility in a compact chassis, ideal for gamers on a budget or small living room setups. At its core sits an AMD Ryzen 7 7845U processor with 8 efficient cores and 16 threads, offering reliable performance for both gaming and everyday computing tasks. It comes pre-installed with 16 GB DDR5 RAM and a 512 GB PCIe 4.0 NVMe SSD, providing fast boot and load times while keeping overall cost and power usage low. The SER9 Max uses a passive-cooled, fanless design, which keeps the system entirely silent under normal use, making it suitable for bedrooms, offices, or shared living spaces without disturbing anyone. Despite the modest hardware, it supports up to dual 4K 60 displays via HDMI 2.1 and DisplayPort 1.4, plus Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.3, multiple USB ports, and a 2.5 gigabits Ethernet port for stable online gaming or streaming. Its ultra-compact 1.5-liter form factor slips easily behind a monitor or under a TV stand, perfect for minimalist desks, home theaters, or LAN travel, offering desktop-style convenience without the bulk. While high-end AAA games may push their limits, the Beelink SER9 Max excels in esports, indie titles, retro games, and streaming media, giving smooth performance and silent operation on a tight budget. Number 3. Apple Mac Mini M4. The Apple Mac Mini M4 delivers impressive performance in an incredibly compact design, making it a powerful choice for creators, developers, and everyday users who want desktop-class speed without a bulky system. At its core is Apple's latest Apple M4 chip, featuring a next-generation CPU and GPU architecture that dramatically improves performance and efficiency over previous Mac Mini models. Memory options go up to 32 GB of unified memory, allowing apps, graphics, and system tasks to share the same ultra-fast memory pool for faster performance and smoother multitasking. Storage is handled by lightning-fast PC NVMe SSDs, configurable up to 2 TB, ensuring near-instant app launches and extremely quick file transfers for large creative projects. Despite its small footprint, the Mac Mini offers excellent connectivity including Thunderbolt 4 ports, USB-A, HDMI, Ethernet, Wi-Fi 6E, and Bluetooth, making it easy to connect multiple monitors, high-speed storage, and professional accessories. Apple's highly efficient architecture also means the system runs remarkably quiet and cool, even during heavy editing or long productivity sessions. With its combination of powerful Apple silicon, compact design, and excellent efficiency, the Mac Mini M4 is ideal for everything from professional content creation to everyday productivity and gamers. Number 2. ROG Nuke Mini. The ROG Nuke Mini condenses desktop-class gaming into a chassis barely bigger than a thick textbook. Inside its compact 1.2-liter frame lies a high-performance 14th-generation Intel Core Ultra 9 processor, providing 16 cores and 24 24 threads for lightning-fast load times and smooth multitasking. Graphics come courtesy of a laptop-class NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5080 GPU with 16GB GDDR, capable of delivering stable 1440p gameplay above 200 FPS and competent entry-level 4K performance on medium to high settings. Dual-channel 32GB DDR5 RAM ensures seamless multitasking and rapid asset streaming. Despite its size, the Nuke Mini features an advanced liquid-cooled vapor chamber design that keeps thermals under control even during extended sessions, avoiding thermal throttling under load. On the connectivity front, you get Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, dual Thunderbolt 5 ports, and plenty of USB 4 ports, enabling fluid peripheral support, high-speed storage access, or multi-monitor setups without fuss. Its power draw remains modest compared to full-size towers, so it runs quietly and efficiently while delivering impressive power. This compact rig is ideal for gamers in tight spaces, dorm rooms, small desks, or mobile setups, while still packing enough firepower for AAA titles or competitive shooters. Whether you're playing Valorant, Cyberpunk, or doing video editing, the ROG Nuke Mini consistently delivers steady high-frame gameplay and quick loading time. Number 1. GMKtec EVO-T1. The GMKtec EVO-T1 delivers solid mid-range gaming performance in a compact chassis tailored for competitive players and enthusiasts alike. Inside its 2.0-liter form factor resides an Intel Core i7-14700F processor, offering 16 cores and 24 threads, enough horsepower for gaming, streaming, and multitasking simultaneously. For graphics, the system features an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 Super GPU with 12GB GDDR6, giving smooth 1080p and 1440p gameplay. Despite the compact size, the EVO-T1 uses a custom airflow design with 2 silent fans and mesh ventilation, maintaining GPU temperatures under 70 degrees Celsius during long sessions. Its power consumption peaks at around 180 W under load, making it more energy efficient than typical tower rigs offering similar performance levels. Connectivity is robust, dual USB-C ports for USB-A ports, HDMI 2.1, DisplayPort 1.4, Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.3, and a 2.5 gigabits Ethernet jack, perfect for stable online competitive gaming. The chassis stands just 8 inches tall and 6 inches wide, enabling easy placement under desks, behind monitors, or inside entertainment centers without dominating space. Whether you're playing fast-paced shooters, MOBA games, or streaming full HD content, the GMKtec EVO-T1 offers a balanced blend of portability, performance, and practicality. With its thoughtful combination of modern hardware, compact footprint, and cooling efficiency, the EVO-T1 remains one of 2020 SIX's top compact mid-range gaming PC picks. There you go, 5 of the most powerful, compact, and future-ready mini gaming PCs you can buy in 2026. Whether you want maximum performance, quiet operation, portability, or budget-friendly gaming, there's a rig here tailored to your needs. Hit the bell icon for more tech breakdowns. Until next, happy gaming!